If you've been working out and you're wondering how long it's going to take for you to really start seeing results, then you've come to the right place. Let's chat about it right after this. Noah here with Full Balance Fitness, and our question for today is, how long will it take to see results from working out? Now, to answer this question, we're going to run through the variables that will dictate the duration, the results you can expect to see in the first 2 to 4 weeks, as well as the results you can expect to see in weeks 6 through 8 and beyond. Now, ultimately, we're going to want to have patience. Whether you've been working out for a little while now, or whether you're just now getting into it, you're going to start to see results, but it might take a little time. In fact, the author in Ecclesiastes says, "The patient in spirit is better than the proud in spirit." So remember to stay the course. Point number 1, results will vary based on several factors. One of those would be age. The younger you are, the quicker you should see results. Another thing would be the frequency. How often are you planning to work out? If you're working out 3, 4, 5 days a week, you should see results a lot quicker than if you're only working out once or twice a week. And then the other thing would be goals. What are your goals? Are you wanting to build muscle, lose fat, accomplish the two simultaneously, rehab something? This will dictate how long it will take as well. Point number 2, your initial results. In weeks 2 through 4, you should expect to see several results. If you're doing it right, you should be able to breathe a lot better, possibly sleep a lot better, feel a lot better, and also be a lot stronger as weeks go by. Point number 3, greater results come with time. Weeks 6 through 8 and beyond, and you can definitely expect by month 3 or 4, you'll feel your clothes fitting a lot better. You're going to notice your body fat levels being a lot lower. You're going to have major strength gains. That takes me to point number 4. That is, remember to stay the course. Remember to stick with it. And remember to always learn and to move forward. Now, if you're wanting to have a blueprint and know exactly what you should be doing as you go along, go ahead and check out this video here. We'll chat about it over there so that you have a good blueprint and you know what you should be doing in regard to getting healthier and exercising. Please remember to subscribe, and please comment below if you have a question that you'd like me to address in a future video. Thanks so much, and God bless.